Okay, so this is Tia. Actually, we've only just started the first day on the permanent makeup startup course for Katy, but we're only an hour in. But she's done such a great job that we had to sort of show you how she's getting on. But to start with, Tia, what do you do at the moment, just out of interest?
I just left maternity leave. I was a nail technician before.
Okay, so you did nails, and is that your own business?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you had a little one.
Yeah.
And just sort of on maternity, just finishing up there.
Just finishing off.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then, what made you decide to go into permanent makeup then?
I see you on the TV show. I've always loved the eyebrows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I suppose it's a natural progression because that's how Katy did it, wasn't it? She started off as nail technician, salon owner, then permanent makeup. But we're just only an hour in, and a lot of people worry about picking it up and picking the skill up because you used to do nails, but obviously not brows. So let's have a little look at what you've actually done, and that's just in your first hour. And you can see that the different shaping and hair stroke techniques. I mean, did you think you'd be able to sort of do that straight away?
No, definitely not. No.
Well, how come you think you picked it up so quickly?
I don't know. She's a really good trainer. She goes through it all step by step, really easy, to be honest. Yeah.
So anyone out there worrying about getting the shaping right and this, that and the other?
I don't have to worry. I was really worried.
You was?
Yeah, but no, you don't have to.
There you go. Well, there you go. An hour in and off to a great start. So we'll look forward to catching up with you a bit later on.
Yeah, thank you.
Cheers, dear.